In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row and column of a table in Google Docs. This is a really useful skill to have, especially when you're working with tables that need a bit more space for your data. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to have your Google Docs document all set and ready with a table that you've already created. Once you've opened your document, find the table where you'd like to make adjustments. It can be a bit intimidating if you've never done this before, but don't worry. We'll walk through it step by step. Now, go ahead and right-click on any cell within the table. It doesn't matter which cell you choose, as long as it's part of the table. Right-clicking within the cell will bring up a context menu. This menu is your gateway to modifying your table, making it just right for your needs. In this menu, you have a few options that you can choose from to modify your table. If you need to insert a new row, you have a couple of choices. You can select Insert Row Above if you want the new row to appear directly above the row that your selected cell is currently in. This is handy if you need to add additional details in the upper section of your table. Alternatively, you can choose Insert Row Below if you prefer the new row to be placed right below the current row. This is perfect for adding information that follows the current row's context. But what if it's columns you're interested in adjusting? You also have two convenient options here. Selecting Insert Column Left will place a brand new column directly to the left of the column containing your selected cell. This is useful when you need to add additional aspects or criteria to the existing data in the table. On the other hand, choosing Insert Column Right will add the new column just to the right of your selected cell's column. This can be particularly helpful for expanding upon the information already presented. Once you've decided which action suits your needs best, simply click on that option. Whether it's a row or column, Google Docs will immediately update the table based on your choice. The change happens instantaneously, and you'll see the new row or column seamlessly integrated into your table. So there you have it. Quick and easy ways to adjust the layout of your tables in Google Docs by inserting rows or columns. Experiment with these options whenever you need to reorganize or expand your data efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made working with tables in Google Docs a bit easier for you. Don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to streamline your document editing.